I'm Winnie Moranville, and this is a recipe for Sweet Mascarpone Cheese Crepes. This is one of those recipes that everyone goes crazy for, and yet they're so easy to make. The secret ingredient here is mascarpone cheese, which you make extra sweet with a little honey. Here's how to make the recipe for 6 servings. First, combine 1/2 cup of mascarpone cheese, 1/2 cup of whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of honey in a chilled mixing bowl. Beat on medium speed just until stiff peaks form. You'll need 6 or 7-inch dessert crepes. You can make your own or buy them at the supermarket. Spread about 3 tablespoons of the mascarpone cream over half of one crepe. Fold the crepe in half, then half again to make a wedge-shaped piece. Spoon strawberries or any fresh fruit over the crepes. Drizzle some chocolate or caramel sauce over everything. And there you have it, Sweet Mascarpone Cheese Crepes.